Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML forms, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of text fields. So the input type of text fields defines a single line input field for text input. In this example right here, a form with input fields for text is what you are seeing right here. As you can see, here we are having it. As you can see, to know the type of input you are having, you are going to see the attribute is equal to double quote. Inside the double quote, you are going to find the type inside it, and this type we are having right here is text. As you can see, the second input is having what? The type of text. This label we haven't talked about it. We will discuss about it in the next tutorial, but let me show you how all this works quickly. Let's copy all this and place it into our document. But before we place it, can you see this is what we have in our previous tutorial? So I'm going to remove all this now and change it and place this new one and save our document. When I place it, I will reload it, the other one remove, and this one comes out. So now when I type anything, as you can see, it's displaying reasonably, as you can see. So all these things you should be able to understand the benefit of using the input the input type of text. Now this is it. This is the first one and this is the second one. This one is from the label, so I'm still going to discuss about this in our next tutorial, but you should be very careful when using it. So I'm going to explain some things further about it for you. Don't you just worry for now. Let's see how the HTML code above will display in a browser. We have seen it yet. We have seen it already. The form itself is not feasible. Also note that the default width of an input field is 20 characters. So like right here right now, this input field that you can see right here, it can contain only 20 characters. So let's text it if it's true. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's write ABC now. A this one can contain more than, as you can see, it can contain more than, as you can see. So that's what I want to show you guys. So you should test whatever you are doing, understand, so you can be able to understand what is going on there. But we can control the characters. So in the future, I'm still going to tell you how you can do all these things, but just be careful when using it, because this one now we are just reading notes for now, so you can be able to understand. But first thing, the main thing we have learned so far in this tutorial right here is the input type of what? Of text. So copy this, just only this, and place it right here so you can understand what I'm talking about. So here is it inside our form right here. When you specify this input type of text here like this, you are going to have one, just this input. Let me reload. Can you see this input? This is what we are here for right now. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day, and to the next